Okay. What we're going to show is how you put this thing together. It's nice and lightweight. You got the Cal induction spray bar there. We have slot, slot, slot. Fits right in this slot in the gold cube right here, just like that. You tip it up, which puts a little pressure on it and locks it. Then you put the stiff leg under it, and it's set. Then you got your screens. The screens are a work in progress. I haven't completely decided. The screen can be on it when you put it in. It doesn't have to be off to put it in. As you can see right here, watch this. Leg down, box off. Box on, up, latch. Ready for water. Next thing that happens after you get to that point. Okay, video's running. Shop test number 25. Scoops of dirt into the go round. That's where that screen needs to be replaced. Yep. Get that washing unit there like that. So I can get that screen to a single level and then I'll be okay. Okay, let's put some more in.
Move that light around a little bit for me.
Can you see it?
Yeah. It's probably better if I could keep it still.
Need more water. Plug back up?
Yeah, I plugged it back up.
I thought we'd lost it. Okay, we're going to let that run a minute, clear out. We got a little adjustment to make on this screen to get it to do what I want so it drops better. Just a fine adjustment to be made to it. Look at all this black sand locked up in here. Look down inside at all the gold side inside of it.
Yeah, look at that. That's pretty. That's it.
So now I'm going to take this camera and kind of bring it in if I can on it.
Okay.
See if I can zoom in. And show you what all is in that top tray up there. Okay, I'm going to turn the water off. Let me get over here while I can pull the plug.
Man, look at that.
Look at that. There, see that chunk? See that? You're looking here.
Oh, wow. Look at that, man.
Look at all in.
Yep.
I'll bring the camera in for a close-up. Okay, keep the light in there. I'm coming in. Bringing the camera in, folks, for a little closer look here. See what we got. Let's go back in the back up there. There's one in the very top little dip up there at the top on that side. And then we have a nice chunker on that side. And all that's up at the top of the machine, right under the cowl induction hood on it. Anyway, I want you to check in these riffles, folks. You see all them nuggers? See all that fine gold? You see all the nuggets in there, right? Okay, now here we're going to do. Let's roll this down here a little bit and get in this black sand and look in it. Look in this black sand across here. And what we're going to do, we're going to pull this tray by itself and put it in a tub so you can see just what come out of it only. And we put a load of material in. Anything that went through it went in that cube, and everybody knows that, well, the cube's supposed to take care of everything else. So if we get an 85 or 55 or 65, whatever percent up here, the cube ain't having to deal with it. So we're going to break it down and see what's in it, guys. Check it out and see what's happening. Well, the way things work at Spike Shop is, if somebody makes something and I decide to mess with it, the only thing I can do is decide to make it better. So I decided that a gold cube was a pretty good, nice piece of equipment. It catches a lot of fine gold, but the problem it has is you got to clean it way too hard, too much work. So y'all seen me run that material through there in about 2 minutes a while ago, or 3 minutes, whatever it took. I run a whole big old pan of material. When I got done and done a quick pan down, this is what I had left. And this is what come off of just the topper. So the Spike Strike topper on this gold cube got all of that gold that I never have to deal with and find gold out in the bottom of this machine. So the bottom of the machine is not going to have to be cleaned, but maybe every 4 or 5 hours even, according to how much material you got. And you're going to be able to clean this tray out in 30 seconds, put it back on, and keep grabbing out your nuggets. So for a couple of my buddies that use these things on the gold cubes on their like commercial type operations, if you'll talk to me, I can put you on steroids, brother. Guarantee you, we can put that gold cube on steroids. Watch this. Later.